Chief, I'm a race car in the red, and I'm ready to get this trip started. The stress is unfucking believable right now, and we need to get this boat going. Nothing's working. We don't have steering. We don't have port generator, and everybody's telling me everything's going to be fine. I need it to be fine. I need to get this trip going. Stop sitting. All this actual day one because we're back. We got all our parts. We're getting ready. Are we getting ready to take off, Chief?
We're getting ready to take off.
Is this boat ever going to leave the marina? Yes or no?
I 1,000% guarantee it's going to leave the marina. Now, what happens after we leave the marina?
That's a different story. Anyway, we're hooking up the air hose. Lots of chores in the engine room today. I'm going to hang some tools in here. Start getting this engine room all dialed in and ready. Pete's working in the kitchen. He's got a couple runs to go make. Whew, that is heartbreaking right there to listen to him starting the generator and nothing's happening. And what are you cooking right now for the crew and stuff like that?
Yeah, I'm just making sure everything's working, test fire, and then I'm cooking a meal. We've been eating junk food.
Let me explain this to you real quick too. The guy working on the generator, he'll be eating with us until he's got that generator running. So go ahead and start.
Well, maybe I might put some more bins in the oven.
There you go. There ain't nobody leaving this boat until we got it running, okay, Chief?
Yes, sir.
So you're feeding everybody.
Yes, sir.
I'm done, man. I'm done. I'm ready to get going.
Thank you. Thank you for your confidence, Chief.
So you had to put 2 new helm stations. They just rebuilt them, and then you're installing them right now, right? Correct?
Yeah.
Nice. All right, guys. So Braulio with Dave Diesel is out here. He's going to put a new pump on for us, a new injector pump on the starboard port generator. You got all your parts and everything, didn't you, brother?
Yes, sir.
All right. Hopefully, it's been a while since this generator's fired up, so hopefully today we get it fires up. You know what I'm saying? Like, it's exciting to see it fire up again after, I don't know how long it's been, probably a couple years since this one went down. That's because it's pushing the air, pushing the fluid in, right?
Yeah.
That's what it's supposed to do. Nice. I know that this is a team sport. I get it. But I need a team that's as like focused to get this boat running. And the gist of this video is, it's a 65-foot boat. It's 6,000 miles, and I'm just ready to go. Like it's party time's over. Hundreds of thousands of dollars have been spent.
Hundreds.
And I'm ready to go. And to be here days from trying to get out of here. Today was our actual go day, the 15th, and here we are dragging another day, and then another day, and another day.
Yeah.
And days are done. We're done. We've got to get this boat going,
Yes.
or we're not going to go. It's just park it. It goes to the chipper.
The chipper. Jesus.
I don't want to be brutal, but I'm ready. And we got to go. I mean, we can
It's
make
go time.
Yeah, we can make excuses. We could say we're not going to do it. We can't do it. We've got to have this boat running. So, and it's time. It's time. So, I need to settle down and just write a list and deal with each item individually.
Yep.
and just tackle them. If it's 10 hours a day, 12 hours a day, 20 hours a day, we just need to get it done.
Yeah.